Alright, I've pulled out the M54 and I'm gonna actually now complete the cylinder head removal. So we are just gonna get through this, try and line everything up, get the timing covers off, yada yada yada, any accessories that we need to take off, anything that's just in the way. So now that it's on the stand, this will be much easier to work at, much easier to show, and best of all for me, more easy to learn. That way I can see everything clearly, everything's marked, I know exactly where X, Y, and Z should be, what bolts are, yada yada yada. That way when I'm in the car and I've limited access visually, I can kind of understand where things are. But hopefully I don't ever have to touch timing again after this on this car for a very long time. If something were to happen to all these parts that I'm putting on and this engine goes boom, more than likely I might just do a swap. But anyway, this is going to be cylinder head removal, so let me set up the camera and get to work. AC bracket with the tensioner. I deleted my AC, so I'm not going to be using this, but I will keep it on my little parts, little storage, just in case I ever do want to run AC again. But simplifies this whole area, makes everything a lot cleaner. This was already loose. I had to just screw in the 13 mil for the hook, so that way it could lift the engine up. So my camera literally died pulling off the cylinder head. It didn't die, but it full of memory, so might as well have died. But anyway, finally got the head off, and so far, just by the looks of it, doesn't look like there's any scratching or scoring or anything. A little rainwater got in when I had the valve cover off. But this is all getting hot tanked anyway, so all that'll check out and fine again. So next is going to be getting this over to the machine shop so they can start doing all that, and then I'm left with the block. I'm going to clean it, do an oil pan gasket, a couple other things. This is now the head gasket here, so we're just getting a first look to see if we can see anything cracked. Which can't actually line up in position yet because I don't have this on. Well, old brittle plastic just broke, so that'll do it. So let's finally now line this up. Let's see what we can find. God, it's been a little while, but I think my issues were starting back here. Anyway, well, it looks like we got pieces of the, pieces of the hard pipe broken off in that, so that's definitely probably gonna leak. Fix that. Yeah, this is my bottom half. This is the only one where I can kind of see any kind of cracking in number 5. I really don't see anything else anywhere. But really, the compression is still good, so I think we should still be fine to full send this. I might get a second opinion on it. I might. But anyway, timing chain. All this will be getting replaced. The oil pump chain. That might end up getting changed too, honestly, since I'm already this far. I don't know. Can never be too sure. But definitely, I know we had the overheating issue, so, we definitely, and the leak down test failed miserably, so we are going to get this sent out. That's what I'm going to do next. Stay tuned for the next update.